Good morning. Today I am gonna show you what process we go through with our litter of puppies that we have, which were kind of a surprise package for us because I guess we didn't thought that the male is big enough to get her pregnant, but he definitely was. And yeah, I'm gonna show you the process we had, and we are very happy with those puppies. They are 6.5 weeks old, and we only do let them nurse once or twice a day anymore because she's trying to wean them. And this is feeding time. I actually cook their food because I want to make sure they get the nutrition they need. I put pork, rice, and a few carrots in, and then I have some Nutri-Glow that I put in. And they really gobble that stuff up. Yeah, I feed them from a paint pan. And I will show you how we gave them, we call it syrupy. We gave them attention since day 2, I think. We just bring them in the house. We actually have them on the outs. Well, not on the outside, but an outbuilding. They have a windbreak, and they seem very happy. It's not like Zero is mostly in the 30s since they were born. And when they're happy, they play and growl and have some fun together. They're so playful and so cute. Someone can't leave them alone while they're enjoying their breakfast. That food actually does a lot. Don't pester them, please. It actually doesn't take as much of that feed because the rice have a texture where it feeds them a lot, so it doesn't even take as much as I figured it will, because I still have 1 days of feeding for them left, and then I have to make some more. But I put some pork in as well, and some see, what was it? Oh, beef brine. I just like to flavor it up so they really eat it. And they eat that better than the dog food or the puppy food. I'm just going to show you what we do for our puppies every day. And there is no shy puppy. This is the more shy one, but she still comes to us and plays with the rest. Like a lot of shy puppies don't even do that. Sorry, someone was getting chased. This is Shelby. We have names for each one of them. So, and we actually declawed them. Oh, I forgot about pulling it on the tail. Come here. Come here, Charlotte. She was looking at me like, it's my turn. She got messy feet from stepping on her foot. Yeah, you have to lick your feet. And when we actually clipped them, they did not make a move, and they were not scared at all about it, because they know we won't hurt them. And then we had to be careful so we actually didn't pinch their their skin or anything. So we did this We call it syrupy. We did it since they were 2 days old, every day, and there is not one shy puppy. They play and growl at each other, but they do not do that for, like, I was expecting them to be more growly and protective, but they are so friendly to people. And they say that that actually is what gets them to trust people, is because they get a lot of attention this way.
Shake. Ow. Shake. High five. Five. Shake. High five. High five. High five. High five. Shake. High five. Shake. High five, Rosie. High five. No, that's not a shaky.
I also want to show you the difference.
Shake.
We actually have
Shake. Shake.
mini Australian mother and a toy Australian father of those. So some of them are minis and some of them are toys. Now this one does look like a toy, the one with the more white one, and this is the only boy, and this one definitely looks like a mini because he is a bigger guy than. And we have like 4 or 5 of the smaller ones. Yes. He's trying to teach them to shake their paws, but if there's only more than one, it usually don't work that way. So there's one that usually comes and begs to be on the couch, and we usually get her to come on the couch because she is very close to us. And if you enjoyed this puppy video, then if you don't like puppies, watch how we do our puppies. Just scroll on and don't worry about it.